Welcome back. So far, we explained what permutations are and how to compute them. In this lecture, we are going to focus on a similar, but not too similar concept: variations. Variations express the total number of ways we can pick and arrange some elements of a given set. For example, imagine you went on vacation and forgot the code for the combination lock on your carry-on. Luckily for you, the lock requires a two-letter code using only the letters A, B, and C to unlock it. We can approach the problem as we did before and explore the different positions in a specific order. Let us start with the first letter. We have three different options: A, B, or C. Suppose we chose A and move on to the next letter. Since we can repeat values, we once again have the same three options for the second letter: A, B, or C. This indicates that there are three different variations if we decide to start with A. Now, if we put B in the first position, again, we would have three options for what we choose for the second letter. In general, regardless of which one of the three letters we decide to start with, we are going to have three different options for the second letter. Therefore, the total number of variations we can get is 3 times 3 equals 9. The formula we use to calculate variations with repetition is the following: V bar of n and p equals n to the power of p, where n is the total number of elements we have available, and p is the number of positions we need to fill. The way we interpret this notion is the number of variations with repetition when picking p many elements out of n elements is equal to n to the power of p. If we apply this to the combination lock example, we would write V bar of 3 and 2 equals 3 to the power of 2, which is equal to 9. We interpret this as there are 9 different variations of two-letter passcodes consisting of A, B, or C only. What happens if the lock could use any of the 26 letters? We would have 26 to the power of 2, which is 676 different variations. All right, now you know how to deal with variations with repeating values. Make sure to complete the exercises after this lecture to test your knowledge and reinforce what you have learned. In the next lecture, we are going to briefly explain what variations without repetition are and how to compute them. I hope to see you there, and thanks for watching.